happy Wednesday. I am currently waiting for London to come over. We are going to be spending the day together. We're going to go to the antique store in the next town over from my town. And then we're going to have lunch at this pizza place that just opened up in Monroe. It's in Monroe. And then we're going to go stop off at the Christmas store that we didn't get to go to last week because it was closed. Of all times for it to be closed, Christmas time, right? And then I'll head back home and start doing some stuff around here and getting some stuff done. I always say that, don't I? I always say I'm gonna come back here and get some stuff done, stuff that I need to get done. I say that all the time. But depending on what time it is, I'll probably just come home and chillax. Oh, I think there's London. All right, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna meet her outside. Forgot. So I'm here with London.
Hey guys.
And I'm here with Amaya.
Yes.
Amaya, welcome from LA. This is Logan's daughter. So her stepdaughter. I don't like stepdaughter. We need to come up with another word for that.
What?
Stepdaughter. I don't like that.
That's
Just
our
daughter.
daughter.
Yeah, it's a daughter.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
We'll just say daughter.
Our children.
So we are antiquing today, and little Amaya has never heard of antiquing before, so we're going to show her what antiquing is all about. Yes, old stuff. Hello. This is what it is all about. And sometimes they have, like, you know, stuff, like farmhouse stuff that they have, but most of the stuff's, a lot of the stuff's antique. Antiqued.
You guys see Angie?
Hey.
That's Miss Angie, you guys.
Well, they know who I am.
Talking about all of you new booties here on the channel.
Yes.
Oh God, love.
30% off of all that stuff. Nice. Love these. These are so pretty. I love all of those. So the whole set is $95 for that set. This is called Carnival Glass. Because there's like different colors. There's a pink, there's a green, and it has all these, like, you know, see how it's kind of shiny and shimmery? It's the different colors. That's considered Carnival Glass.
Is that a good price for it?
I have no clue. I just know it's expensive and I wouldn't buy it. I love these glasses down here too. These are just regular, like, green. These are $100 for this whole set. Oh, I love those. Those are pretty. Ooh, here's your vintage pink. Ooh. Gosh. Boy, this one has a lot of stuff in here.
A lot of, like, dishes, china.
Yeah. I will probably knock something off with my purse. Ooh, look at this set. $117 for that one. I love those. And I love these. Aren't these pretty? So these are $120 for a set of 14. Oh my gosh, I love those. Those are so pretty. Yeah. Who keeps ringing the doorbell? Is that you? See, look at the red. Oh my gosh. So $20 each for those. But $50 for the whole set. But it's actually, oh, for that other purple set. Yeah. Look at the size of these salt and pepper shakers.
Jeez, they're huge.
Those are huge.
How much is it? $20?
Yeah, but 50% off the entire booth.
Oh, that's not bad.
I love these too, the bubble. Yeah, these are $35 each. Yeesh. Pretty though. Oh my goodness. This is a smorgasbord of antique stuff. Whoa. I spy vintage Mickey and Minnie's. Look how cute these guys are. Vintage. Vintage. And that guy. Woo! Vintage Mickey. Look how old and vintage these are. These are really cool. Love all these. And they have a whole bunch all in here. Love all those. Super cool. Neato. Oh my goodness, you guys. They have Ray Dunn right here. Naughty and Nice. They want $25 for it here. I don't know how much you could pay for it at. You know, that's, I love these. Naughty and Nice. Say that I tried. So we are now headed to lunch. We're gonna go to Longhorn, right? Is that what you said, or do you not want to go there?
That's fine.
Okay, I thought you.
My gift card.
Okay, but London got a really good deal on like this big, huge, like long window. I mean, it goes all the. Or what would you call this? A window? Yeah. It goes to the very back, and then she got another window back there. But yeah, she's got some ideas for this big long one. It's gonna look really, really cool when she's finished with it.
That's awesome.
$5. $5. She only paid $5 for it. Oh my God, it's really pretty. And then I got a few things too. I got a couple of spools and a vintage lunchbox for my sister for Christmas. Oh my God, she's gonna love it. And then I got a rolling pin because I'm addicted to those. I have a fetish with rolling pins. And you got a rolling pin too, didn't you?
I got one.
Yeah, she did.
I just want one to go in there.
So this is the first thing that we ordered. The first appetizer that we ordered, because we did nothing but appetizers today. And we are at Longhorn with Amaya and London. So we added more to our chips and bacon cheddar ranch dip, which is super good. We added chili cheese fries. We added these little wraps, spicy wraps, and then some wings, and these are so good. And then of course their bread, which is amazing. We still have 3 more things coming, did you say? Mm-hmm. The onion, the shrimp, and the pickles. And, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so look at all this stuff. We got this onion, we've got our pickles, we got our shrimp. This is all of us. Between the 3 of us, oh my goodness, I think we're gonna be very full. But the girls have never tried fried pickles before, so this is gonna be the first time that they've ever had fried pickles. So leave me a comment below and let me know if you guys have ever had fried pickles before, and if you did, do you like them? We're gonna find out if Amaya and London do very soon. Mm-hmm. London is full. So Amaya, what'd you think of those pickles? Very good, aren't they? Yeah. Yes. You like them too?
Yes.
Okay, so this is, oh my God, we barely put a dent in any of this stuff. It's okay, we have, she can feed her girls when she gets home. And Amari. Because he'll eat some of this, won't he? Yeah. So look. What? Yeah. In my diaper bag. It's a jujube diaper bag. So anyway, we have leftovers. So
we have lots of leftovers.
We do, which is good because I won't have to cook tonight, which is nice. I don't want to cook for the next couple of days because this girl's leaving.
Ooh, don't rub it in.
I'm leaving.
Rub it in.
I'm so excited. Of course, Linda knows where I'm going, so she knows I'm excited. So she just knows. She just knows. We might get together though next week, too. So that'd be nice.
Oh, you'll be back?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll be back. That's why we were making plans for next week. Maybe for next week, sometime after Christmas, we're gonna get together and do something. Not sure. I gotta try to get in this big old
Mama-mobile.
Woo!
Oh, Jesus.
I am. It's so full.
I could go to sleep there.
Yeah. We got one more place to go.
So that was a lot of food.
That was a lot of appetizers. Those are just appetizers.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We spent a lot of money.
Okay, so if you want to go out, try to get your way to this light right here, or go out this, and go to the right. She's my Uber driver for the day.
Yes, sir. Where you want to go?
Uber. Oh no. And then you're gonna get in your far left lane because we gotta turn left up here.
You gangster.
Yeah. Sneak it all in there, girl. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do in Atlanta. That's what you gotta do around here. People don't. They're like, no, I'll wait till there's no cars coming and then I'll go.
Yeah.
Like, no. Stick it out there and go.
Turn here, right?
Yes. No, left.
This looks like where we were out the other day.
Who?
It's not, Whole Foods not right there?
No. You mean
Remember
Trader Joe's?
Trader Joe's.
No, this is Monroe, not Athens.
You're right. But remember when we were in line right here?
It,
we
no.
to go to Starbucks?
Not here,
And
honey.
it seemed like
That was in Athens.
it seems the same.
Alrighty, so it says it's open today, so we are gonna go. We might could try to go in here. Let's see, the arrow's pointing this way. So let's do it. It says open. They got even these little tiny shutters too. Oh, $10 for the windows.
Not that bad.
Not too bad at all.
Oh, look at this big one, Angie. Look how big this one is.
Yeah, I like that big one.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yep, that's a nice
These are
one.
nice windows too.
Yes, they are. See, they got that big one right there too.
I sure do.
That's nice.
I wonder how much that is.
Ooh, London. Oh, look at how pretty. It's definitely not like it was last year. Mm-mm. I know, isn't that pretty?
Jeez.
Wow. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, I'm starting probably on Maya Chantel. No, not gonna work.
Cute. Alrighty guys, so London and I are done with our day. It is a little after 2 o'clock, I believe, and she has headed home and I am home. And I just want to show you guys a few of the things that I picked up today while we were out and about. Very, very fun stuff. I've been very excited to find these. First thing, I picked up this cute vintage lunchbox. Every year my sister and I exchange obviously a Christmas gift, and it's always a Wizard of Oz something. And so I found this cute little lunchbox, and so I'm going to give this lunchbox to my sister for Christmas. And then I picked up 3 spools, which I've been dying to find spools. I love these things just to kind of stick in baskets or just leave around the house. I love these things. But anyway, I picked up 3 of these. I picked up this one and this size, which is an awesome size, and then this one, which is like huge. I got that. And then I picked up this rolling pin. I love it because it's Christmassy. It's got the gingerbread guys on there, so I absolutely love it. And then I picked this up, which is like, they called it like a coaster, but it's a real piece of wood. But I just kind of thought it'd be really cute to set like one of my little houses on, kind of like, you know, something like this, just to make it look a little more, you know, for farmhousey or rustic-y or whatever. So I got that, and then when we went to the Christmas store, I picked this little thing up. This is for my neighbor. She's the one who got me my Starbucks mug, and we always kind of exchange a small little personal gift too. And I knew when I went into this place, this is what I wanted to get her, and it lights up. Let's see if I can turn it on. It lights up, so yeah, look how pretty that looks. And it just lights up, and this is like so her. It's like perfect for her, if you guys can see that or not. But anyway, I think there's too much stuff blocking it. So let's see, focus, there we go. So that is so pretty, absolutely love it. And then I got a ornament for my mother-in-law, and I'm gonna put it in her box, which is right there, which I gotta send off. So I'm gonna turn this off so the battery doesn't die, and that's it, folks. So I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me in London today. If you guys did, huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time in Wonderland.